sneaky foot pedal. Let's see what the end looks like. I've never seen one like this that is black. Wow. Aren't these brown normally? Black. Made in the US. No kidding. I don't get it. I don't get it. Wait a minute. Does it have an input? It's just a foot pedal with a plug on it. But how do you... I don't get it. What happens if I plug it in? I don't get it. I don't understand. Am I missing something? What's going on here? Okay. I don't get it. Okay. All right. This is great. Hold on. We have a 221 foot pedal. But instead of the bake light, for those, because I hear it all the time, I don't like the little toe on the bake light. So there you go. All steel 221/301 foot pedal. And we're going to end it off real quick. We have one. I got to rewire it. Just has a broken wire on it. We have two broken wire. I will rewire these for featherweights. We have another one. We'll rewire this one too because I don't need this end. Don't need that one. So we have three. We have four brown ones. I will rewire. I will rewire these. We'll rewire them for, since they're brown, we'll wire them for the 301s combos. Alright, thanks for watching. If you see something you like to order, make sure to join my Facebook group by clicking on the link below and send me a personal message. Enjoy the day, everyone. Stay safe.